Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Today, we're putting 3 AI heavyweights to the test: Grok from XAI, ChatGPT from OpenAI, and Gemini. I've challenged them with 3 coding tasks: a palindrome checker, a to-do list app, and debugging some broken code. We'll dive into their outputs, test them live, and figure out which one delivers the best help for your coding needs. Stick around to find out the winner. Let's jump in. For our first test, I asked all 3 AIs, write a JavaScript function that checks if a string is a palindrome. A palindrome reads the same forward and backward, like racecar. Let's see what they gave us. First up, Grok. It gave me this function: cleans the string by removing non-alphanumeric characters and converting to lowercase, then checks if it equals its reverse. It even included examples like a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, returning true. I'll test it now. I run is palindrome, was it a car or a cat I saw? And it outputs true. Perfect. It handles spaces and punctuation like a champ. Next, ChatGPT. Its solution is similar: cleans the string, reverses it, and compares. It also gave examples and a short explanation. Let's test it. I try is palindrome, a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, outputs true. Works great, but the explanation feels a bit basic compared to Grok's detailed breakdown. Finally, Gemini. Same core logic: clean, reverse, compare, but it added more examples, including numbers like 12,321 and an empty string. Testing it now. Is palindrome, madam, in Eden, I'm Adam. Returns true. Solid, and I like the variety of examples. All 3 nailed it, but Grok's detailed comments and edge case handling, like empty strings, stand out. ChatGPT keeps it simple, and Gemini adds creativity with extra test cases. Test 2, build a simple to-do list app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I want to add and remove tasks. Let's check the outputs. Grok gave me a full app, a clean design with shadows, an input field, and buttons to add and delete tasks. It even lets me press enter to add tasks. I type, this is test 1, hit enter, boom, it's added. Click, delete, gone. The styling's modern, and the enter key feature is a nice touch. ChatGPT's version adds tasks, deletes them, and let's try it. I add, this is test 1, click it, boom, it appears. Delete works too. This give a good output, but its overall UI isn't so good. Gemini's app is similar but includes a completion toggle on click. It's got a clean look with a centered layout. I add, this is test 1, click it, strike through. Delete works fine. It's functional, but no enter key support like Grok. Grok wins on usability with enter key support and polished design. ChatGPT's completion feature is a bonus for productivity. Gemini's solid but lacks extras. Last test, debug this broken function. It's supposed to lowercase usernames from an array but has typos and logic issues. Here's the original, to lowercase instead of to lowercase, and an unclear return. Grok fixed the typo, used strict equality, equals smiley face, and explicitly returns undefined for missing names. Let's test it. With name, John, null, age, 25, I get John, undefined, undefined. Clean and clear. ChatGPT corrected the typo and returns null instead of undefined. Simple fix with a concise explanation. Same input, outputs, John, null, null. Works fine, but less detail in the explanation. Gemini went further, added an array check and a typeof string check. It returns undefined for invalid cases. Testing with null, name, Bob, not an object, I get, undefined, Bob, undefined. Extra safety is nice. Gemini's thorough with safety checks. Grok balances clarity and simplicity. ChatGPT's quick but minimal. So, who's the best? Let's break it down. Grok shines with detailed explanations, polished outputs, and usability, like the Enter key in the To-Do app. It feels reliable and beginner-friendly. ChatGPT, fast and functional, with extras like task completion. It's great if you want quick, practical help. Gemini, creative and thorough, especially in debugging with safety checks, but sometimes misses small conveniences. For me, Grok takes the crown. Its consistent detail and polish across all tests make it the most helpful, especially for coders who want clear guidance. ChatGPT's a close second for speed, and Gemini's perfect if you love robust solutions. What's your pick? Drop it in the comments.